Enhance your nighttime grilling sessions with tools that boost visibility and safety. The best BBQ grill light makes every cookout easier by illuminating your grill surface with bright, focused lighting. This guide highlights durable, heat-resistant options designed to improve your outdoor cooking experience. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. NODINIHU Barbecue Grill Light. The NODINIHU Barbecue Grill Light delivers impressive convenience and illumination for anyone who enjoys grilling after dark or tackling hands-on tasks requiring bright, focused light. Its upgraded magnet base offers noticeably stronger suction, allowing the light to attach securely to metal surfaces without wobbling or slipping, which is a huge advantage when you need steady lighting. The improved battery performance is another practical upgrade, providing around 5 hours of runtime even on the high white light setting, eliminating the constant worry of sudden power loss during cooking or work sessions. With 5 lighting modes, including high white, low white, a softer warm dome light, and both red and red flashing options, it adapts easily to grilling, emergency use, campsite visibility, or nighttime mechanics work. The 360-degree rotation makes it easy to direct light exactly where you need it, even into tight spaces or awkward corners. The combination of magnet base, hanging hook, and rope ensures flexible placement, freeing your hands and boosting productivity. Its compact, lightweight design lets you slip it into a pocket and carry it anywhere without hassle. From car repairs and camping to garage projects and backyard barbecues, this light covers a wide range of uses, making it a versatile, portable tool that adds real value for everyday and outdoor tasks. Number 2. LIGHTACCENTS BBQ Grill Light. The LIGHTACCENTS BBQ Grill Light provides bright, dependable illumination designed specifically for outdoor grills, making nighttime cooking easier and far more enjoyable. Built with a durable aluminum body, it withstands outdoor conditions without rusting or wearing down, which is ideal for frequent grillers who leave their accessories outside. The LED bulbs produce strong, focused light that enhances visibility over the entire grilling surface, letting you monitor food properly and avoid overcooking. This design works well on many popular grill brands, including Blackstone and Weber, and attaches securely to most aluminum grill handles. It runs on 3 AA batteries, making it convenient for users who prefer quick battery changes over charging. The compact, elongated shape helps distribute light evenly across the cooking area, and the overall build feels professional and sturdy. Measuring just over 10 inches long, it fits comfortably on grill handles without taking up space or getting in the way while flipping food or opening the lid. Whether you're grilling steaks, chicken, or vegetables, this light offers clarity that makes a noticeable difference in results. As a gift, it appeals to grill enthusiasts thanks to its practicality and durability. For outdoor grilling sessions, especially during late evenings, it becomes an essential accessory that enhances safety and precision. Number 3. Coquimbo BBQ Grill Light. The Coquimbo BBQ Grill Light stands out for its versatility, portability, and thoughtful design, making it useful not only for grilling but also for daily household tasks, camping, car repairs, and emergency situations. Made from durable hard rubber with a comfortable anti-slip grip, it feels solid in the hand while remaining lightweight enough for extended use. The foldable design allows the light to collapse into a compact size, making it easy to store in drawers, glove compartments, or toolboxes. Its aluminum head helps dissipate heat efficiently, which prolongs the lifespan of the LEDs. With 5 lighting modes, high brightness, medium brightness, a focused front flashlight beam, and 2 red safety modes, it adapts to almost any situation. The rechargeable battery with Type-C charging is a major convenience, eliminating the need to constantly purchase batteries and reducing long-term cost. The magnet base and hook provide hands-free options, allowing you to attach it to a grill surface, car hood, metal shelving, or hang it when no metal is available. The full 360-degree rotation lets you direct light precisely where it's needed, which is especially helpful during nighttime repairs or detail-oriented grilling. Number 4. Tresda BBQ Grill Light. The Tresda BBQ Grill Light delivers a powerful 2,000 lumen output using cob LEDs, producing bright, daylight-like illumination that transforms any dark workspace into a clearly visible area. It is an excellent companion for grilling, camping, construction work, hiking, or emergency situations. The ergonomic handle and clip-on design allow it to attach securely to surfaces up to 2 inches thick, including grill edges, tables, or car hoods. Without the clamp, the built-in magnetic base offers another reliable mounting option, especially for metal surfaces commonly found in garages and job sites. The light head rotates with impressive flexibility, 180 degrees forward or backward and 270 degrees side to side, ensuring you can position the beam exactly where needed. Its rechargeable battery delivers up to 7 hours of runtime on low mode and can even serve as a power bank to charge phones in emergencies. With a power level indicator, you always know when it's time to recharge. The IPX5 waterproof rating makes it suitable for rain, snow, and harsh outdoor environments. Durable and versatile, it performs well across a wide range of uses from outdoor cooking to mechanical repairs. Number 5. RVZHI Barbecue Grill Light. The RVZHI Barbecue Grill Light provides a wide, bright beam powered by 10 high-lumen bulbs, making it ideal for nighttime grilling sessions on gas, charcoal, or electric grills. Its illumination makes it easy to judge the doneness of food, ensuring better accuracy and more enjoyable results when cooking outdoors. The rotating head offers exceptional flexibility, with 360-degree and 180-degree adjustments that help you position the light exactly where you need it, whether highlighting the grill surface, hard-to-reach corners of a smoker, or an area beyond the handle. The C-clamp mounting system accommodates handles up to 1.6 inches in diameter and attaches securely without requiring any tools, making setup fast and simple. This universal design works well with most grills and smokers, making it a convenient accessory for regular family barbecues or larger gatherings. Made of tough nylon fiberglass, it resists heat, impact, and long-term wear, ensuring reliable performance through many grilling seasons. The battery compartment is sealed for outdoor protection and can be opened easily for quick replacements. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.